back to Simple Trends. Hope you had a fabulous Diwali and enjoyed having a variety of sweets and snacks. Now it's time to detox our body and show a little care to our digestive system too. Let's begin. I have taken 4 tablespoons of peeled ginger. You can increase the quantity if you prefer it a little spicy. 2 tablespoons dhaniya or coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon jeera or cumin seeds. Juice of half a lemon. I will soak the ginger, dhaniya and jeera seeds in water for 1 hour. This Inji or Ginger Sorasam or the detox drink can be had once in a week. It not only enhances digestion but is very helpful to balance the pitta or the bile secretion in our body. This was a mandatory drink after having oil bath on weekends when we were kids. It protects against cold and boosts the immunity too. After it has soaked for an hour, I will drain and add the ginger, jeera and dhaniya and grind it without any water. If we add water in the beginning, it will not become a fine paste. Add water little by little and grind to a very fine paste. Ginger also helps in weight loss, so having this once in a while will enhance the process of weight loss along with the proper diet plan and exercise. Filter the juice. Totally, I have added around 50 ml of water for grinding this. The water which I used for soaking the jeera dhaniya, I have used it for grinding also. I have made this for 4 people. You can reduce or increase the quantity of ingredients to suit the quantity of the juice you need. Adults can consume around 25 to 30 ml of this and children can have 15 to 20 ml. It is not necessary to have this in an empty stomach. You can have it 1 hour before having your lunch. The ginger, dhaniya and lemon are ideal for protecting the liver too. Add half teaspoon of jaggery to taste and the juice of half lemon. Mix well. It is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Do take care of your body. Have this detox drink once in a while. Stay tuned to Simple Trends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. Bye.